Hi everyone. Feeling stuck in your routine? It's time to level up. Today, I'm sharing 5 life-changing hacks that will revolutionize your daily routine, boost your productivity, and help you get more out of each day. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. The 1-minute rule. The 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than 1 minute, do it immediately. Whether it's replying to a quick text, washing a dish, or filing a document, get it done now. This prevents small tasks from piling up and creating unnecessary stress. By acting fast, you keep your day moving smoothly and free up mental space. Hack number 2. The 1031 rule for prioritization. The 1031 rule. It's simple. Every morning, choose 10 minutes to plan your day. 3 tasks you must complete today. 1 big goal you need to achieve this week. This method keeps you focused on what really matters and prevents overwhelm. Focus on your top priorities to stay ahead and crush your goals. Hack number 3. The 10-minute declutter. The 10-minute declutter. Spend just 10 minutes each day tidying up your environment. Whether it's your desk, your kitchen, or your digital files, this simple routine will create a stress-free, clear workspace that helps you think better and stay productive. Small efforts every day lead to big results over time. Declutter to unlock your focus. Hack number 4. The power of batching tasks. Batching tasks. Instead of jumping between different tasks all day, group similar activities together and tackle them in one focused block. For example, answer all emails at once, then make all your phone calls back to back. This minimizes distractions and helps you stay in the zone. By focusing on one type of task at a time, you increase your efficiency and save time throughout the day. Hack number 5. The 5-minute mindfulness break. And finally, hack number 5. The 5-minute mindfulness break. Every few hours, take just 5 minutes to meditate or practice deep breathing. It resets your mind, lowers stress, and improves focus, making you more productive in the long run. Just 5 minutes of mindfulness can recharge your brain and help you stay on track. There you have it, 5 life-changing hacks that will help you stay focused, organized, and more productive than ever. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to level up their productivity. Stay focused, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.